Okay.
Guys, welcome back. So today might be kind of a random video. We're kind of bored, so we just wanted to do some random stuff. But yeah, let's go. So
Come on, I think we're gonna go to lava map. We're gonna mine. We're gonna do a bunch of stuff, guys. But
where are we gonna go first?
What do y'all want to do? Let's see.
We can go to Haunted Mansion.
Yeah, sure. Let's do
All right,
Haunted
let's go to
Mansion.
Haunted Mansion.
Let's find the key though.
Oh yeah, let's
remember
find the key.
we can do this.
I know we
can
did
do
it
this,
last time,
buddy.
guys. But it was
Yeah,
very
remember
scary.
that Haunted Mansion video where my sister can play? Remember that? Yeah, that's where
Yeah.
we actually got the Haunted Mansion key, man.
Okay, guys.
We were goated.
I'm ready.
One sec. Okay, what do you need for a Haunted Mansion run? I absolutely forgot.
Just look at my stuff.
Then you need a flashlight.
Q, get a pickaxe too,
Yeah, I'll get a pickaxe.
because then we can go faster. But we don't need the pickaxe until we go to there.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
Dude, this Haunted Mansion wrong. Let's try to yeah. And then after this, we'll what do y'all want to do?
Hold up, where's Haunted Mansion now? Do you think it's still right? It's right,
It is
right?
still right, remember?
Yeah, oh yeah, okay.
Oh, this is new. Wait! Oh yeah, they changed the update. Forgot. Come on, this way. Landon.
I died!
Oh crap, we're gonna have to get our stuff.
It's fine, just buy me
Okay.
one.
No.
I'll buy you stuff. I'll buy you it.
Yeah, you're buying my stuff, bro. I'm broke.
Weapons.
Thank you.
And then flashlight.
Now I need my grappler. I
I
need my
already put you,
grappler.
I put you, yeah, do you, rapper. Okay, come on. Let's go on the sides this time.
Yeah, we actually have to go on the floor. We can kill Mr. Ogie Boy with our pickaxes.
Okay, let's go.
So get your pickaxes out. I'm not grappling on the roof because I do not want to die.
Dude, I
So
forgot about
they
that.
really need to fix that glitch. They really need.
Yeah.
Ooh, I stepped on that landmine, but it did not kill me. We're only on the floor this time, which is fun.
Oh yeah, okay, I forgot. Ogie boy. Let's go, charge! Easy.
I was hitting him in his crotch. Okay, come on. This is where all of our stuff was.
Wait, this is
That's
caves.
caves.
Oh,
Wait.
it might not be here. Let's go find it.
Wait. Okay, so it's not a right. It's not a right. Okay. Different. Get out of here, chickens.
Oh, it's over here.
Oh.
Found it.
Okay.
Go on sides.
Now we need to go on the sides. Cause I'm not. We could go on the roof now, Landon. Though. Oh crap! Right here's where Ogie Boy is. After we see Haunted Mansion.
I just don't.
Crap. Where'd that green light? Okay, I'm gonna turn my sound down. I'm gonna leave it up 1. Wait, you just don't want to what? Landon?
Okay, I'm leaving my sound up 1. Only 1.
Yeah, me too.
Wait.
Yeah,
are
I
you
know.
supposed to go?
Okay, we have to do this again. Stop whenever it goes red light. Okay. Come on. Okay, is it chill? Is it chill? Okay, green light.
Maddie.
Green light. I'm just gonna pause right here. Okay.
Okay, we're good. Dude!
Landon, I died. You're gonna have to revive me. Landon, revive me.
Okay, hold on.
My body's all the way at Haunted Mansion. Okay, red light. Crap, red light!
No! Banshee was just right there.
Banshee literally grabbed your body. It grabbed your dead body and went like.
Well, it looks like we're not going to Haunted
I heard
Mansion.
her. She went like.
Haunted Mansion, but why is red light, green light monster so close?
Okay, so I guess no Haunted Mansion anymore, guys.
No.
They're way too close.
Where do you want
Let's
to
go to Lava Map. Let's go to Lava Map.
All right.
Yeah. Wait. We're gonna have to find Lava Map in this new update, remember? Yeah. Let's find it. Let's go on an adventure.
What if it's the same place? We just have to go to zip lines.
Yeah, this is like a long video, you know, guys? It's okay, though. It's okay. Because all we are is goated. It's not true, but okay.
Okay, let's go.
I'm speaking lies, guys. Wait, did you bring the flashlight? Alright, good. Get some ore.
So, guys, hold up. Let me turn up my sound.
Oh, yeah, my sound's already up.
Oh, nice. So, wait, do we go straight?
Dang, they changed it. They changed it. Oh, Mr. Spider Boy!
You want to come here? You want to die real quick, Mr. Spidey?
Mr. Spider Boy!
Spidey.
I'm here, boy!
Oh my gosh, that's Mimic. That's Mimic. Okay.
I'm trying to kill Spider by myself.
Sorry, I was stuck in this.
Get this out of here. It's web. Dumb web in my way. Oh, Mimic's right there. Nope.
Yeah, no, I'm good. I just want research points. I got a research point.
Okay, maybe we have to go this way. Landon. Which way do you think we have to go?
Maybe this way?
Ow. Wait, this does not look familiar, but... Oh, over here. Huh?
Left.
This is where Mr. Mimic Boy is.
Oh, zip lines.
Jump all the way down.
Hold up, I just want gold.
Mine. I need research points.
Yeah, I only have 2.
I only have 2. I get a research point. Okay, Landon, drop down. Drop all the way down. Okay, you dropped all the way down. Okay.
Spider.
This way. But it's this way, so I'm gonna have to kill Mr. Spider Boy again. This way? Over here? Is it?
Long time no see.
Wait, is it in here? Oh no, this is like Spider's cave right there.
Stuck in the web. Long time no.
Come on. Okay, maybe it's this way. Nope, not this way.
Oh my gosh!
What?
Spider scanning me, sorry.
Get out of here, Spider Boy. Okay, come on.
Now
Go.
we can roam freely.
Okay. Oh, over here. Wait, under here? Nope, that's back to Spider. Wait, maybe it's right here. Landon, maybe it's right here. I have a feeling it's under here, Landon. Oh, Mr. Armstrong. But it is over here. This looks familiar.
It's here.
See, look at this.
It's here.
This is here. Die, mister.
Okay, let's go.
This is where Lava Map is. You can just tell.
Alright, we got here. We know the way now.
Okay, good.
See, look at
I'm
no
glad we know
danger.
it.
Like danger, no. Or something. Yep, here
Yeah,
it is.
there is a bunch of danger. Hey, see ya.
Sorry.
Actually, land on this thing. One sec. I need to put this away. No, come back here, pickaxe. My pickaxe dropped, and I'm going to save my pickaxe. Pickaxe? Landon, you see my pickaxe?
Yeah, it's right here. Maddie, you're blind.
I can't put it in my slot. Okay, Landon, I'm coming. My crap, what? Coming.
Maddie, what the heck?
Coming! I hate that sound.
Yeah, same.
I fell down already.
Maddie! Oh,
I'm
sorry.
right behind you. This is a weird way. Why is Block Map all the way down here?
Yeah, I don't know.
Animal Company just has such a big map.
Yeah.
Hey, where is it?
Think it's back here?
I think we have to explore. Wait, over here. Over here. Over here. Wait, isn't there a monster in this place? I don't want to find out.
Okay, Maddie, one more big drop. Ready?
It takes forever to get over there. My game glitch, so I'm pretty sure someone just joined.
Ah! Right here. Okay, I need my
Um,
pickaxe. Get your pickaxe out.
Yeah, I know.
Let's go mine! Oh, nice! That's where all the fishies are. Nice. That's nice. Evil fishies.
Yeah.
Evil.
Just dodge the fishies. No, make sure that big eye cannot see you though. See how the big eye can target you right now? Okay, Landon.
Oh, guys, dodge him! Dodge! Alright, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good.
I'm not!
Maddie.
Okay. I got off on the fishing. Okay. There were still some chasing after me. Got some more lava ore. My back's not close to full though. Pretty close. Alright, landing. Go on the roof. We can dodge the fishies better over there.
Hold up, I need to get this.
Where's the big eye? Where's the big eye? The eye that stares at you and targets you. Controls the fishies. Fishies are probably the least scariest monster in the whole entire
Yeah.
game. Actually, no, turkey is. Turkey. I don't even know why turkey's a monster.
Yeah. Maddie. Maddie, where are you? Maddie?
Landon, where'd you go?
Where'd you go? Maddie! 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 Where did you go? Maddie! Maddie! Help! Help! Oh my gosh!
I dodged all of those! Oh my gosh, that was so creepy! Someone just escaped their feet. Come on, this way. You can't make big eye spot us, dude. That's way too risky. Landon, this way. Okay, there you are. Where's some more,
Wait, Maddie, go on the ceiling. I saw some earlier. If we can. Go on the ceiling.
I'm pretty heavy.
Okay. So, Maddie, follow me. Alright?
Okay.
No!
big boy. Wait, what is this thing?
Or Maddie!
No, big guy, big guy, big guy.
Maddie,
big
or!
guy.
Maddie!
I know, but there's big eye right here, dude.
No!
Big eye, no.
No, please.
He's targeting you, dude. Oh crap. No. If he never targets you, I think we're good. Wait a minute, he's targeting you! Hey, big guy moved! Big guy moved! Big guy's gone! Crap, no, big guy just spawned!
No!
He targeted me, but he's pretty good at targeting.
You know what? I'm gonna just dodge the fishies.
Okay, you do that.
Trust me. Matrix. You don't know me, Big Eye. I'm Matrix. I dropped my grappler, Maddie! I dropped my grappler! Maddie, go to where I was, and my grappler's on the ceiling. I forgot my grappler and I dropped it.
Wait, where are you?
Maddie! Maddie, look on the ceiling next, like, around you to see if you see my grappler, bro. Maddie! Maddie, come to me! Come to me! Come to me! Maddie! Maddie! Come to me! I'll show you where my grappler is. Maddie! Bro! You dead, haha! Maddie, good. Go to your right. Go to your right. No. You're right. Not your left. You're right. You're right. Okay. Whatever. Help, Maddie! I don't have my grappler. I'm cooked.
Where are you?
I was right under you, and I told you look below, and you didn't listen.
I know you did not do that.
Help! I'm cooked. I made it. Go to where you were mining the ore.
Okay.
I have my flashlight! Come to me. I have my... Look around on the floor. I have my flashlight. Come to me. Maddie, come to me on the ground. Below you. Dude,
where's your grappler?
Look, you see this one? This pole? Go onto the ceiling of that and you should see my grappler. Finally.
my god!
I still
I
died.
dodged too! I was really good at that!
Alright, I'm going to mine the ore that you were at more ore, whatever you say.
When you dropped your grappler!
Yes, and I tried to tell you!
Guys, down in the comments and blazing the Ranger!
Eyes on me.
I practically have a full bag!
I almost do.
Landon, big eye! Big eye targeting you! Woo! Okay, when the fishies come, I'm just gonna duck under this thing. Okay, he left. Oh my gosh, dude, my guy is so fat. My character's so fat, I can barely move. Oh crap. Okay, when those fishies come, when those fishies come landing, just grapple onto the roof. Yeah, I'm ready for you, come on! I'm grappling onto the roof when those fishies come.
I'm ready on the
When
roof.
those
I don't
fishies
care.
come, I'm grappling on. No, come down here. We're gonna try to trick them. They're gonna come at us. They're all gonna hit this thing, but we're gonna be on the roof. So grapple on the roof when they come, okay?
Go! Ow! That hurt.
Ow, it hurt me a little bit. Not that much though.
Yeah.
Wait, what's your health at?
It's at like 2 HP.
Oh crap, then you might want to hide and do a better scenario.
Wait, like on settings? Yeah.
You might want to do something better than this, Landon. Because you are at 2 HP, you might just want to chill on the roof and...
But my
and,
health
like, get your
regains.
HP.
My health regains.
Yeah, so you might just want to chill on the roof and wait until your health is good.
I just need.
I like to run away from them like this. Hey, what is this for? I bet you there's gonna be a new map right here.
Yeah.
With this bolt. Yeah.
Where's the place where we dropped from?
It's over here, Landon.
Oh yeah, it is.
It's right here. It's right here, but I don't think we could see it. Do you have a light?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, over there. Yeah, I see it right here.
Oh yeah, there it is. Alright, do you want to go back?
Whenever the lava fishies come to you, all you have to do is this. You
I
have
have
to
a full bag, Maddie.
Okay, I have close to full bag, so let's just climb up here. Actually, no, there's an easier way to do this.
Yeah, let's just go back to the ball.
Yeah.
Wherever
Dodge
that
the
is.
fishies if they come at you.
I fell.
Yeah, me too, I fell. Crap! Dodge the fish!
Oh, I did it. Come on, let's go.
They're still coming! Oh my gosh! They died.
Oh my gosh, go back! Go!
My HP!
Dude, I thought I was gonna die.
I'm about to die from the lava. Oh man, we can make it! Guys, what should we do after this?
Dude, I just want to get out of here.
I made it out. That was a crazy run, wasn't it?
I know. Oh my
What should we do next, guys?
We could go to. Oh, dang it. You have the right?
Huh?
You have the
Yeah, I have them unlocked.
Okay, we could go to sewer red stuff.
That's not really the best plan, because it won't give us a lot of money.
Yeah, sure. I don't know.
Yeah. Wait, down in the comments, guys, if you think Landon should do live streams. I think he should do live streams. That'd be pretty cool.
I don't know how to.
You just gotta, like, live stream. You gotta, like,
No, you have to connect it to your computer and then all that stuff.
Oh.
But I don't know what to do next, honestly.
Yeah, what should we do? Do you want to complete the hobbies? I know we already have, but, I mean, it's something to do.
Wait, what do you mean obbies? Like, oh, moon map?
No! Look! Where I'm pointing!
Oh, shoot, yeah. That's right.
Landon! We have to grab the hoverboards!
Yeah. Go on.
It's just something to do, guys. I know we already made a separate video about this. We just need... This is a random video.
Yeah.
It's gonna be named random, like...
Okay, Maddie.
Hey, come on. We know how to do this. This is so easy. Why are you going that way, Landon?
Because I like to.
Never done this map in forever. I'm already up, bro.
Yeah, same. Oh, so am I. Where are you? Oh.
Come on. What's the next map? I forgot.
Hold up.
Yeah.
Wait for me. Hold up. I need to do something.
This one's hard.
Okay, I'm coming. Oh, what's up? I just got back. Dude, I can't. Dude, it's not letting me get up.
Do you know how to know if the thing is recharged?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, good. It's when that little, like,
I know.
thing
I know.
is
I literally just said I know.
I know, but I need to tell you, okay? Okay.
No, I'm about to fall. Okay.
Wait, guys. We are gonna make a Fortnite video today. Just like a late night Fortnite video.
No, maybe
A night Fortnite video?
we could make like our first Fortnite short, and then we can do a late night video tomorrow because it's Friday.
Why tomorrow?
Because it's Friday, and I can stay up later.
Oh yeah, true.
Ow! No!
So we're gonna do like a funny short today. And then after that, we're gonna do a bunch of Fortnite uploads tomorrow.
Yeah.
At least like 2 videos on Friday.
Yeah.
Wait, 3 videos on Friday. 3 videos on Friday. And guys, do not freaking worry. You do not know how much VR content is gonna be posted on Friday. Okay?
Yeah.
Wait, actually, we might have to do another video today, because today might be the new update.
Oh yeah.
Remember?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so one more video today, and maybe a couple funny shorts in Animal Company, and then tomorrow 3 videos of Fortnite. Wait, and a short today of Fortnite. And then 3 videos of Fortnite tomorrow, and then a bunch of
Okay,
content
enough about that.
of
Here
VR.
comes the hard part. This is hard.
Yeah, this is hard.
Wait for it. Go, my man.
No, you don't need your hoverboards out. Just don't have your hoverboards out.
Go!
Ah!
Alright, there you go.
Oh, you almost hit that. Okay, this is where we got hoverboards. Skip. Okay, skip. Landon, I almost died from that. Okay, skip all this.
Now going to this fan. There we go, we made it.
Galaxy! Wait, no, this is Ducky.
This is Ducky?
Yeah.
Bet.
You can just skip half of this map too. See, look. Well, sometimes I don't use my hoverboard on this map to make it fun. Landon,
What's up, Maddie?
let's try to parkour this map. Okay, come on, we gotta get on this thing. Let's try to parkour this map without the hoverboard. We can use the hoverboard at some times. Like this time.
Like I'm skipping it.
Yeah, I'm skipping this. All the way over to here. And then I'm skipping this.
Jump!
We gotta
Skipping
parkour
this.
thing. We're already at Ducky, dude.
You just skipped like almost all that.
I know, right?
Okay.
That was hard for me. Okay, wait. I skipped that one.
Go.
Alright, go. Are we goated? Guys, down in the comments. Down in the comments if you play Animal Company and you grind it every single day.
Like
and
me.
Fortnite, guys. Because we grind Animal Company, Dark Game, Fortnite every day. I was playing Animal Company and Fortnite. Wait, what's your two favorite games, Landon?
Animal and like VR.
No, like, at all.
Animal Company and Fortnite.
Dude, the same, dude. Same. Those are my two favorite games. I like other games. I mean, the other games are fun, but...
Yeah, somewhat, I guess.
Yeah. I just skipped that. I skip it. I just skipped that, Landon. I don't know why. I just skipped it because I wanted to. I don't like to go on these things. It takes too long. You slip off so much. Okay, just fly onto that rocket ship. I fell.
Oh my gosh, it's slippery.
I fell. Okay.
It's slippery.
Let's go. Up and away. Hey, Landon.
Yes.
Right here. No, don't skip it, Landon. Don't skip it. I want to do that. Actually, yeah, I would do that. Now just skip the whole thing. I know
Shark.
there's fun out of it, but whatever. I don't care. My game just glitched. I feel like someone joined.
No,
Someone probably didn't. But...
we're offline.
Okay, Landon. It's the easy one. No! Wait for me! Wait, why are you doing the hard way? You really trying to do it? Yeah, you better. I think you forgot about this map.
I did.
You did.
You sounded like a grandma.
Bro, you talking about grandma in a video. So weird. Sorry about that. He's weird.
Yes! Here comes Matrix.
There is Matrix and Animal Company, but we wanted to do it except not in this. Whew. I just got hit.
I didn't get hit once this so far.
I didn't get hit. I almost got hit once.
Yeah, Cap, you just got hit.
I only got hit once. Come on! Hurry! Ah, jump over! Okay.
I forgot.
1, 2, 3, duck!
Oh!
Oh, Jay! Landon's doing parkour now! Hola! Hola, señor!
Oh my gosh.
Hola!
Oh my gosh! Let's go, okay.
Hola! Hey, this is the last part!
I already unlocked the sun hat.
Yeah, me too.
It took us 8 minutes only.
8 minutes. Yeah!
2. Okay, let's go back.
That was something fun to do.
Yeah, it was. That was quick. Not gonna lie, that was quick.
Yeah, that was 8 minutes.
We can
Alright.
make music.
Oh yeah, let's do that. I gotta go and unlock the guitar.
Okay.
Actually, Lynn, I'll be right back.
These are all Galaxy suitcases. I don't know why. Just don't ask why. Yeah, actually don't. I need to buy a drum. Drum. Yeah. Ha. Guys, this is beautiful. Music. I died there. Hold up. Alright. So make sure to like and subscribe. I don't know if I already said that because this video is super long. But, you know. But still, make sure to like and subscribe. Hopefully, Maddie will be back. Hopefully, Maddie will be back. If he doesn't when I come, I'm going to slap him. This is the music that we made yesterday in our video. This one. Maddie, you better hurry up. Maddie, you better. Maddie, you better. Hurry. Wait, hold up. Maddie, alright, ready? Guys, this is about to be beautiful. Maddie, you better hurry up. Maddie. Maddie, you better hurry up. Think he left, I don't know. Maddie, you better hurry up. Bruh, this dude is taking long. Oh, hold up, guys. Alright, ready? Maddie! Why are you staring at me? Why you do that? Was creepy, bro. What are you doing?
I'm getting the guitar.
How much company coins do you have? Oh dang. I have 970. Me back.
Okay, let's make music. I need to go and unlock the guitar.
Okay.
And then I gotta go to the restroom again.
Bruh.
Just entertain them.
Oh my gosh, that's entertainment right there. Okay. So guys, we can make some music with this in a theremin, you know? Like some. Hold up. Yes, guys. This is real music. Now we gotta go like. Bounty. Hurry. Yes, guys, this is music. Look at Maddie. You can make music with the sermon. Ready? Don't touch it. No, stop. Wait, hold up. It doesn't work. Bro. You turn it off? Look. Here, let me play the guitar. Okay, that's enough music. That's enough music. Get out. You need to leave. Alright, what do you want to do now?
I don't really know. That's pretty much the end of the video, guys.
No, we have one more thing to do. Go
Okay.
kill Ogre.
Oh, okay, bet.
We need Supremium RPGs. We need RPGs. And a gadget. Boom. I'm ready.
Wait. Always be safe, Lyndon. Always be safe.
Oh, yeah. I forgot.
Look, you can float like this.
Yeah. Now you see, if these...
Now you need the grappler.
Okay, ready? Let's go.
Now you need the grappler. Ogre! Ogre! How much does Ogre know what he has done to us? We will pay him.
If you weren't there, we would have been to mansion way too many times. Like, you know how much times you've killed us? Too much. We're going on floor. We stand on floor.
We might. Target in session.
3, 2, 1. We get him? Let's go.
Next video. You know what that's gonna be?
We're gonna kill every monster in
Next
the game.
video. We are gonna get revenge on every monster. Yeah! Yeah!
So we will see you guys next time.